Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent government teacher vacancies notification from all the state government schools. So this notification came from the state government secondary education board, guys. Here the total 2,595 vacancies are there from the multiple subjects. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so you may check down here. UP Secondary Education Postgraduate Teacher Jobs Application Form, that is UPSE ESSB PGT Pravakta Government Jobs. So here the Uttar Pradesh Secondary Education Services Selection Board released a new vacancy notification for the recruitment of available Pravakta postgraduate teacher in UP government schools, guys. So here the available subjects are Hindi, Mathematics, Home Science, Economics, History, English, Drawing, Civics, Geography, Psychology and Pedagogy, Sociology, Sanskrit, Biology, Physics, Chemistry, Physical Education, Commerce, Agriculture, Military Science, Logic, Music Playing, Singing, Music. So total 2,595 Pravakta PGT jobs are there. So the online application for this one is open right now. The last date for filling up of the online application form is 15th April 2021. Okay. And here you may check down the important dates and the official website pariksha.up.nic.in. Okay, and you may check down here the total 2,595 vacancies are divided into the two categories. One is Pravakta boys category and second one is Pravakta girls category. So under the boys category, you may check down the subjects here. So Hindi, Mathematics, Home Science, Economics, History, English, Drawing, Civics, Geography, Psychology, Pedagogy, Sociology, Sanskrit, Biology, Physics, Chemistry, Physical Education, Commerce, Agriculture, Military Science and Logic. The total 2,281 vacancies are there, and as per the caste category also the number of vacancies are divided here. You may check down. And coming to the Pravakta girls category, so here these are the vacancies, guys, and here the subjects are little bit less comparing with the boys category. Anyhow, the subjects under the girls category are Hindi, Mathematics, Home Science, Economics, History, English, Drawing, Civics, Geography, Psychology, Pedagogy, Sociology, Sanskrit, Biology, Physics, Chemistry, Physical Education, Music Teacher or Music Vocal, Music Instrumental. Total 314 vacancies are there. So in the girls category, the number of vacancies are also less comparing with the boys category. So the total 2,595 vacancies are there, and the age limit. So here the lower age limit is 21 years. And while coming to the job qualification, candidates must have qualified postgraduate degree in the concerned subject and B.Ed or M.Ed in relevant subject. And coming to the application fee, for general OBC, application fee is 700 rupees, and for EWS 600 rupees, SC 400 and ST 200, and online application processing fee is 50 rupees. Okay. And coming to the selection process, a written exam will be conducted for this one. 10 marks for the interview, 85 marks for the written exam, and 5 marks for the educational qualificational merit. Total 100 marks, guys. Okay. And while coming to the examination syllabus, okay, written exam for jobs will be conducted for 500 marks. Total 125 objective type multiple choice questions will be given. Each one carries the 4 marks. So the exam duration is 2 hours, and exam syllabus will be detailedly given in the website itself, guys. Okay, so the application last date is the 15th April 2021, and whatever the relevant notification links are there, I will provide all the links in the end of the description box of this video, so you may kindly check down, guys. So for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide